Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Age. I want to show you something that I'm making. I woke up this morning, I wanted to have like a hash brown type breakfast, and I noticed sitting on my table I had one of those I think they're called yellow squash. Anyway, I had one of those. It was getting soft, it was getting spotty. I needed to use it, so I'm like, you know what? Let's just throw it in the same pan. Little squash isn't going to hurt anything. Um, I am going to make my breakfast with this. Okay, we have the yellow squash. We have little golden potatoes, onion, and sweet bell pepper. The onions, they look big on film, but see these are small, like the size of an egg, maybe a little bigger, which I really like because I normally do not use a whole onion for anything, so using a small one is perfect. This I got from a neighbor. She got from a food bank, asked if I wanted them. I said absolutely. These are, again, small potatoes, like the size of an egg. That's what I used. Little potatoes, little yellow potatoes from the Little Potato Company. Onion, pepper, and squash. So let's oil and season this up, get cooking in the pan, and see what it turns out to be like. Okay, while my breakfast is cooking, I want to tell you about what I made for dinner last night. And I was absolutely amazed at how far this stretched, how much I got from one chicken breast. I had two chicken breasts that were thawing in the fridge. They thawed. I took them out, and one of them, I was going to make chicken nuggets. So I took the chicken breast out, sliced it up, chopped it, cut in strips, and then cut it into pieces. I put flour in a dish with some seasoning, put eggs in a dish, and I managed to have this gluten-free breadcrumbs from Energy. I am sure I got those sometime from a food bank because I have looked for gluten-free breadcrumbs in the store and I cannot find them. And I have that. I've had that for a long time actually because I kept forgetting that I had it, and then I remembered I have the breadcrumbs. So we could do the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs. And from one chicken breast, I got 27 chicken nuggets. That was more than enough for daughter and I to have some for dinner last night, and then I'll show you what's left. This is what's left over. Let's see, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 of them left over. So today for lunch, we can each have a 6-piece nugget. So unbelievable how much I got from one chicken breast. Then the other chicken breast, I put it in the pan to cook it so that I could have an actual piece of chicken on the plate where you use a knife and a fork, cut it up, take bites, makes you feel like you're really eating something. And it was so thick that I did, do the butterfly cut in half and cooked it so there are 2 pieces. So again, she and I can both have a piece of chicken breast. So today, I guess we're having chicken for lunch and dinner, which is fine. So just wanted to let you know about the chicken breast and the nuggets. After I coated them, I put them in the air fryer, sprayed a little oil on them, and they turned out excellent. I mean, they look like real chicken nuggets. I've tried that before with just the flour and the egg, It's not the same without the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs make all the difference. And they were just absolutely delicious and a real treat. Being gluten-free, we can't just go to McDonald's and have chicken nuggets. So this is a real treat. So I will, breakfast is cooking. I'm going to, like hash browns, I'm just going to leave it in the pan for a long time and then flip it, and I will show you when that's done. I wanted to show you what's left of this banana bread that I made yesterday. Look at that, how much it rose. It just completely split open the entire top. And look at how high this is. This is a full 5 fingers high. That is a big piece of, or loaf of banana bread. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And this was made with gluten-free flour. With gluten-free flour, I make fantastic banana breads. Not so much like regular, bread loaves, but banana breads always turn out wonderful. I use the 1-to-1 flour mix, and I add baking soda to the, that's part of the recipe. Okay, breakfast is done. This did not dry out and brown like I wanted it to, but I've been cooking it for a long time. I taste tested the potatoes. Potatoes are done enough that I don't need them super soggy. Yeah, I may have put too much oil in. I don't know, but whatever. It looks fine. It's well seasoned, so I'm gonna have a wonderful breakfast. Okay, so I enjoyed my breakfast, and there was a tiny bit of that mixture left, not a lot. It filled like one of those small deli containers, and I labeled it and put in the freezer. I think what I'd like to try to do with that is either take that mixture just by itself, add some flour to it, and maybe try to make a burger, or maybe add some black beans and some oatmeal to it and make a burger. I'm thinking that could be a good addition to a veggie burger, but we will see. Like I said, I packed it up. It's in the freezer, and hopefully I'll remember to record what I make with that. So until next time, enjoy yourselves, be careful with the weather, and well, till next time. Bye.